deer blind. It's day one. Had a deer behind me this morning, but it was too dark. I couldn't see it, so we'll sit and wait. Day two deer hunting. 7:15 this morning. It's like 9:15 now, but I was putting my gloves on. I was getting ready to go for a walk, and I look up. There's a buck like right in front of me. Just took a shot and missed, but we kind of spooked each other. So anyway, I got a little reminder of right here, empty shell and no deer. So pay attention, right? Oh well. It's only second day, so lots of time. Here's where the deer and I had our little moment. Right there. We turned around right there. And the blind's right there. Good night. 7:23 this morning, I believe it was. Buck come out of here. He come out of here. And he come out going towards the field over there, out the field. And got him. Okay, let's turn the camera around. There he is. Small 8-point. We're just getting ready to got a tag there. Just getting ready to get him out to the truck, and we'll be back. I don't know why I buy gloves. I just clean that off with the dew on the weeds and stuff. So, okie doke. That's my first buck right there. So I'm pretty proud that it's a small 8, so that's okay. That's a good first buck, I think. He's pretty big. Deer fits in the back. Rocks up against the front. And a feeder right there. Perfecto. Time to butcher the meat. There's the hide, salted. I'm gonna bring it in. Bring it in for a hat. So this is the last day of the hunt. Had another tag, so we hunted another day and a half, because the wind was really bad. It was like 22 degrees, feeling like 14 Fahrenheit. So we packed it in after the morning on that day, but today we're out, nothing's going on. So we're going to call it the 2017 deer season, and that's it. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.